Are you preparing a research proposal in civil engineering? Whether you're aiming for funding or academic approval, a strong proposal is key to success. In this video, we'll break down the essential elements of writing a research proposal that stands out and ensure your ideas get the attention they deserve. A research proposal is essentially a blueprint for your research project. It explains what you intend to research, why it's important, and how you'll conduct the study. In civil engineering, this could range from structural analysis to sustainable construction methods. Your proposal should demonstrate your ability to think critically and address real-world engineering problems. First things first, your title is the first thing your reviewers will see, so make sure it's clear, concise, and reflective of your research. A good title should provide insight into the research focus, for example, assessing the impact of sustainable materials in high-rise construction. Keep it focused on your core topic to attract the right audience. Now, dive into the introduction. Start by providing background information on the problem your research will address. In civil engineering, this could be anything from improving road infrastructure to optimizing structural safety. Your goal is to highlight the research gap, why it matters, and what your study hopes to achieve. Next, clearly outline your research objectives. What do you hope to discover or solve with your study? Define the scope of your project. What are the boundaries of your research and what factors or variables will you focus on? This helps the reviewers understand the purpose and limitations of your study. Before you start your research, review existing studies in the field. This literature review section will show you've done your homework and understand the current state of research in civil engineering. Reference other key projects, reports, and studies to establish your foundation. You should also point out gaps in the current knowledge that your research will address. One of the most critical parts of your proposal is your research methodology. Here, you'll explain the methods you'll use to collect data, analyze results, and test your hypothesis. Whether it's using simulations, field studies, or structural modeling, this section needs to be clear and detailed. It's essential that your reviewers can understand how you will execute the project. Your research proposal should include a timeline. Break down the major milestones of your project and the expected timeline for each phase. This shows your ability to plan and organize the research effectively. Will you need a few weeks for data collection? A couple of months for testing? Highlight key deadlines and any dependencies. Budgeting is a crucial component of your proposal, especially if you're seeking funding. Outline the resources you'll need, including materials, equipment, and software. Be realistic about costs and break down your budget into clear categories, such as materials, personnel, and other necessary tools. Finally, wrap up your proposal with a strong conclusion. Summarize the importance of your research, its potential impact on the field of civil engineering, and how it could influence real-world applications. Whether it's improving building materials, enhancing infrastructure safety, or promoting sustainability. Once you've written your proposal, don't forget to proofread. Check for grammar, spelling, and technical accuracy. It's also a good idea to have a colleague or mentor review it for clarity and flow. A well-written, error-free proposal demonstrates professionalism and commitment to your work. Feeling ready to write your own research proposal or need expert guidance in research? Contact me for personalized consulting to help you craft proposals that stand out and get funded. Don't forget to visit my blog for more resources and tips. The link is in the description below.